Welcome to everyone joining from the Pudgy Penguins community. My name is Andy and today I'm going to be walking you through safely storing and utilising your .pudgy domain. Your first step is to choose a domain name. It can be anything from a name to a nickname to a trait of one of your Pudgies. Anything your mind can think up. Try and choose something that represents you in the world of Web3. On checkout, you can choose how you'd like to store the domain. If you'd like to utilise all its features, you need to store it in your own self-custody wallet. However, if you'd simply like to store the domain for the future, you can opt into our custodial option, Unstoppable Vault. We will safely store the domain for you, and there's a fee that is calculated on the next page for this service. You can now select which wallet you'd like to claim the domain to. If you've not added a wallet to your account yet, you can do so here. Your domain name can be used to receive over 300 different cryptocurrencies. You can set this up by going to the Manage tab and then going to Crypto, adding the crypto addresses you want to add, and then signing the transaction with your crypto wallet. You can now use your readable domain name to receive cryptocurrency instead of those long cryptocurrency addresses. You can also use your domain for peer-to-peer messaging powered by XMTP. To enable this login, go to the messaging icon in the top right and click Enable on this device. Sign the transaction with your crypto wallet. Once set up, you can message other domain owners, or you can start a token-gated group chat. You can also set up reverse resolution, which will allow DApps and websites to replace your wallet address with your Web3 domain. You can test this out on a range of Web3 DApps and platforms. For a full list, go to unstoppablemarketplace.com. You can also use your domain to host a website, either by uploading the files directly to IPFS, custom linking an IPFS hash, or creating a website using one of our templates. Select the template you'd like to use and customize all the features down the right hand side. Once complete, you can publish this to IPFS, and you just need to sign the transaction with your crypto wallet. Each domain also comes with its own profile page that you can access by going to ud.me/your domain name. It's a one-stop place where you can view all the cryptocurrency addresses attached to the domain, any websites, along with verified wallets and transaction histories. You can also set up your token gallery and display all your Pudgy penguins. To do this, log in and go to Manage. Then go to Collectibles Gallery and select any chains that you hold NFT art or collectibles on. You can choose to show all tokens by default or hide all tokens by default. Here's what a collection full of Pudgies would look like. For all other services, including email providers and selling your domain on other markets, come to support.unstoppabledomains.com. You can also email us at support@unstoppabledomains.com with any questions.